Hey everyone, I'm Alexa Michi. Welcome back to my car. Yeah, I did it again. I never give myself enough time to make the intro part, so just get used to this. You're always gonna see my intro when I do makeup in the morning in my car. So, today I used different palettes. You can always use colors that are very similar to what I did. You'll see what I used in the video. I'll link it down if you're interested. I'll just keep it there in case, you know. I'll just put it down there. But yeah, this is what we did. I'm trying to zoom in. Oh, I don't know how to zoom in. I'll just get close to my eyes. Okay, yeah, that's what we did. It's pretty cute. The lighting is, you know, it's a little off because there's like an overcast going on. But, you know, you can kind of see where I was headed, what we're trying to do. So, if you're interested how I created this look, just watch. Just keep watching, okay? Alright, so we're gonna kick things off using the Berries and Cream palette. I'm using the shade Cherry Juice. It's like a purplish burgundy type of shade, as you can see. And I am putting it on my crease. So now I'm using my Norvina palette by Anastasia, and I'm using the shade Passion. It's a little more red than Cherry Juice, so I'm using it to kind of deepen the crease a little bit and just placing it slightly underneath where we placed that last shade. So now I'm dipping back into the Berries and Cream palette using the shade Bittersweet. It has a nice purpley pinkish undertone, and I kind of just wanted to lighten cherry juice so you can kind of see the variety of contrasting between the colors. So back to Norvina. I'm using the shade Eccentric, that nice deepish, deepish orange. And I'm just kind of placing that on the sides of my eyes to kind of develop the dimension and depth that I want. So now I'm debating as to what I want to put next. This one, that one, I don't know. I decided the Passion one yet again. And I want to deepen the crease just a little more because, you know, we like that dimension and depth. So now we're going to cut the crease with the Tarte Aqua concealer using a nice rounded type of brush because, you know, our eyes are round. Therefore, it's going to be easier to, you know, paint and cut your crease. Yeah, so I'm just kind of putting that in the middle of my eyelid. So now I'm going to set my concealer using Base from Norvina. It's called Base. Just want to throw that out there. And this will prevent creasing, and the color will just adhere to my eyelid better. So now we're going to break out the Smoke Sessions palette, and I'm using the shade Blue Dream. It's very nice, light blue, dreamy kind of color. And to really make it pop, I wet my brush with some setting spray. So yeah, I wanted to really see that blue. That's what's going on. So now I'm going back into that Eccentric shade from Norvina just to kind of bring back that orangey hue to my eyes. So I just picked up a little more Blue Dream and I'm applying it with my finger because I really want to see that blue. I want to see that pigment. So now I'm just gonna clean up the brow bone region and kind of lighten it up by using the shade Sweet Cream and mixing it with a little bit of base. Now to kind of marry those cool and warm tones, I'm going back into Passion and just applying it on the edges of my eye. So now I'm going to go into Bittersweet and put that on the lower lash line. And I'm going to blend that with a little bit of Eccentric as well. Alright, so now we're going to dip back into Eccentric yet again and just work it in the crease a bit more to bring that orange back into the look. Now we're cleaning up the brow bone, make it a little lighter with the base shade. And now we're dipping into, I believe it's pronounced volatile, to deepen the edges a bit. We've got a little bit on the lower lash line as well. Alright, so we're going to break into the Rustic Glam palette. And I'm using the light shade Desert Queen, the light orangey shade, to kind of blend with that deep orange. And I'm liking what I'm seeing, you see, you know, okay. And now I'm going into Free Spirit. It's a very nice light white shade. And now we're going back into Desert Queen. Yeah, Desert Queen. Just to kind of go underneath those colors that we placed earlier on the lower lash line. And we're going to kind of deepen the sides of the eye with, oh my gosh, what's it called? I think it's French. Or it's Suede. I'll have it listed below what it is. To kind of deepen the corners. And you know, because we like the dimension and depth. So I'm satisfied, I'm feeling myself, I'm like, yes, I finished it, I like what I did, and here is the final look. Oh, and side note, this was filmed like 6 or 8 hours after I applied the makeup. That's why there's like a little bit of smudging. It's still cute though, we still good. Alright guys, this is where I sign off. I appreciate you sticking around, watching my video. I hope you like this look. If you want to see more stuff like this, just let me know. Like, subscribe. Yeah, let's build community, you know. Hope you have a lovely namaste, Canada, and I'll see you on the flip side. Alright, bye.